Okay, today's the day they knocked down number 1, number 2, and number 3 recovery at the old Al Pulp, Port Alberni's paper mill. You can just see through the CTMP conveyor system. There's the boilers, 3 being the tallest, 2, and then number 1, the little guy on the left. Five whistles signifies they're going to do the blast. That's the warning. There you go. That was it. Now the dust.
Hey.
Now the asbestos.
Oh, now, yeah. Which way is the wind blowing?
We're downwind.
Okay.
It's a fair amount of dust, all right. We had to hang all that black cloth there, you see, behind her.
It wasn't too bad of a bang, eh?
Yeah.
Now let's just spray the water line. Made it. There's the big mill water line is right under it.
Oh.
They did all they could to cushion that from.
Oh yeah, they put logs on it.
So just think of all the intakes on the mill that might suck some of that stuff in, eh?
Oh, rising actually.
Yeah.